Jai Shri Gurudev. My dear students, in last class we already discussed 3.3 trigonometry, first PUC mathematics trigonometry 3.3 exercise. So many problems discussed now. 3.3 exercise. Some other problems are there. Last video of 3.3. Okay. So some other problems are there. I will do this. So question number 24. Question number 24. Prove that cos 4x is equal to 1 minus 8 sin square x cos square x. Okay, I had to prove that. So let us consider LHS. Answer. LHS is equal to cos 4x. Okay. Cos 4x can be written as cos of 2 into 2x ಅಂತ ಬರೀಬಹುದಾ? So it is the form of cos 2x ತರ ಇದೆ. So ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ x ತರ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. x ತರ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. 2x ಇಲ್ಲ x. This is 2x. Cos 2x one formula is there. What is that formula? Means I write here. Cos 2x is equals to total 4 formulas are there. ಯಾವ formula use ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಸರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ so sin is there. Now that formula you have to use 1 minus 2 sin square x. You have to use this formula. So if you have any doubt means go through previous. Okay, previous concepts ಇರುತ್ತೆ ನೀವು ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸೇಮ್ ಇದೆ. cos 2x is equals to 1 minus 2 sin square x. 1 minus 2 sin square x. You apply this one. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ x ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 4x ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2x ಬರುತ್ತೆ. That is the technique. 6x ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3x ಬರುತ್ತೆ. half ಇದರ half ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು 3x ಬರುತ್ತೆ. 8x ಬಂದ್ರೆ 4x. 10x ಬಂದ್ರೆ 5x. Like that you have to think. Okay, now it is in the form of what? 1 minus 2 sin square what? Sin square 2x ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸೊ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಈ ಥರ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರನೇ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದರ್ವೈಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟರ್ನಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 2x x ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಈ x ಏನಿದೆ ಅದು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಇದು ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಟು 1 minus 2 ರೈಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೈಡ್. So sin 2x formula is there. No, sin 2x. What is the formula sin 2x? 2 sin x cos x. Another formula is there. Sin 2x is equal to 2 sin x cos x. So this is the formula. Two formulas used. This formula. 2 sin x cos x. Whole square. Whole square is there. Whole square. Now simplify again. Simplify. 1 minus 2. Okay. 2 square 4 sin square x cos square x. 4 sin square x cos square x. 4 2s are what? 4 2s are 8. 1 minus 8 sin square x cos square x is equals to RHS. So here, so therefore 2 4s are 8 sin square x cos square x is equals to RHS. 1 minus 8 sin square x into cos square x. Okay, very easiest problem. Okay, my dear students, like that you have to simplify. Okay, next we will move to the last problem of this exercise 25th. See next question number 25. See 25th. Prove that cos 6x is equals to 32 cos power 6x minus 48 cos power 4x plus 18 cos square x plus 1 minus 1. Okay, so cos 6x prove ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ in two methods we can prove. Cos 2 into 3x ಅಂತ ತಗೋಬಹುದು, ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 3 into 2x ಅಂತ ತಗೋಬಹುದು. ಹೇಗೆ LHS? cos 6x is equals to cos of 2 into 3x 3 into 2x ತಗೋಬಹುದು. So it is in the form of cos 3x ತರ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. 3x cos 3x formula apply ಮಾಡಿ. cos 3x. What is the cos 3x? Tell me. cos 3x is equals to, okay, 4 cos cubed x minus 3 cos x. Okay, so this is the cos 3x formula. Cos 3x, tell me another time. 4 cos cubed x minus 3 cos x. Okay na? 3x. ನೋಡಿ ಇವಾಗ ಇದು 3 ಇದೆಲ್ಲ x ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡಿ. ಈ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಏನು ಬರೀತೀವಿ? ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ 2x ಅಂತ ಬರೀತೀವಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಓಕೆನಾ? tell me 4 cos cubed bracket ಈ bracket ಒಳಗೆ 2x ಬರುತ್ತೆ. 2x minus, okay, minus, okay, 3 cos 2x. So again you have to know the cos 2x formula in terms of cos. Another formula cos 2x formula ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದು ಮಾಡಿ. So cos 2x cos 2x is equal to 2 cos square x minus. So this is another formula. Substitute that formula here. Substitute ಮಾಡಿ. So for cos cubed means cos 2x whole cubed ಅಂತ. Okay. Cos 2x is what? 2 cos square x minus 1, okay, whole cube. Okay, whole cube formula ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, that's why I will do some of the methods once again. See my dear friends, first ನಾವು 2x formula apply ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಕೂಡ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. Some students are confusing, that's why. Okay, one change please. So cos 2x apply ಮಾಡೋಣ. So cos of, okay, 2 into 3x ಮಾಡೋಣ. 2 into 3x. So this is considered as, now considered as x. 2x ತರ ಇದೆ. Second formula use ಮಾಡೋಣ. So therefore 1 2 cos square 3x minus 1. Okay na? Now 2 now it will be cos 3x formula already written. 4 cos cubed x minus 3 cos x whole square is there na, minus 1. So last one somewhat difficult is there. Okay, last one difficult is there. Okay, now simplify. So 2 into ಇದೆಲ್ಲ a ನೋಡಿ, a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square is what? A square 4 square 16 cos cubed whole square ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. power 6 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 6x plus a square ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. b square means 3 square 9 cos square x b square ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. a square plus b square minus 2ab minus 2ab 2 into a 4 cos cubed x into b 3 cos x. Okay, so like that you have to decide. So 2ab ಬರೆದಿಲ್ಲ, minus 2ab minus 1, so minus 1 last. Now simplify. So last class. So now multiply with 2 into 16 32 cos power 6x. Okay, plus 2 9s are 18 ಆಗುತ್ತಾ, 18 cos square x minus ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು 2 ಇದೆ 2 2s are 4 are 16 3s are 48. So 48 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, cos cubed x cos into power of 4x minus 1. ಈಸಿ ಆಗಿದೆ. ನಾವು ಅನಲೈಸ್ ನೋಡಿ 32 cos power 6 ಬಂದಿದೆ. 18 cos square x ಅಲ್ಲಿದೆ, 18 cos square x ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು. ಓಕೆ, 48 cos power 4 ಇದೆ, 48 cos power 4 minus. Very easy now. But what we done mistake means first ಇದು ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದು ಮಾಡಿ. ನಿಮಗೆ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಈಸಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ is somewhat difficult. That's okay. So this is easiest method for you. Okay. So I have to follow like this. Question number 25th. So exercise 3.3 is over. Next we will move to some other concepts. So my dear students, like that you have to simplify it. So this exercise is very important, my dear students. Why? Because so here sin x plus sin y, cos x plus cos y, cos x plus cos y, cos x minus cos y, sin x plus sin y, sin x minus sin y. Formulas already discussed. Okay, you have to know that formulas well. Okay, if you don't know cos 2x, another time I will repeat that formulas. Cos 2x and sin 2x, sin 2x 2 sin x cos x. Okay, another formula is there in terms of tan, 2 tan x divided by 1 plus tan square x. Cos 2x formula, tell me. Cos 2x we have 4 formulas. One is in terms of sin and cos. What is that? Cos square x minus sin square x. And another term, so this is the cos related formula, 2 cos square x minus 1. Sin related formula already told. 1 minus 2 sin square x. Cos 2x की वेला formulas. Cos 2x is equals to 1 minus 2 sin square x in terms of sin. In terms of tan, 1 minus tan square x divided by 1 plus tan square x. Cos 2x, sin 2x, itara every day you have to practice. Otherwise, it may be difficult. Okay, every day you have to remember. Next, sin 2x cos 2x is equal. Next, tan 2x. Tan 2x in terms of tan one formula is there. 2 tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x. Okay. Next, tan x plus y formula. Tan x plus tan y divided by 1 minus tan x tan y. Tan x minus y. Tan x minus tan y divided by 1 plus tan x tan. Cot x plus y, cot x minus y is the same like that only. So some difficulty is there. Okay. My dear students. You have to every day you have to practice formulas and the previous formulas. Cos x plus y, cos x cos y minus sin x sin y, cos x minus y, cos x cos y plus cos sin x sin y, sin x plus y, sin x cos y plus cos x sin y, sin x minus y, sin x cos y minus cos x sin y. Like that you have to every day you have to practice. If you know formulas well means in second PUC it will be very easy, otherwise very difficult. Second PUC easy agute. Okay, so my dear students, don't neglect these formulas and as well as proofs also very important. Proofs also very important and theorems and formulas also very important. Okay na? So please learn the formulas. Thank you. Next concept. We'll see next concept. See my dear students, so this problem already given as a homework. So but some students having some difficulties. What difficulty means? In exercise example 15. In example 15 they are doing according to the cos x plus cos y. I already told about how means cos x plus cos y formula is other prakara madida. Okay. Both methods are good. Eradu method onde ಗುರ್ತಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. So according to the textbook I will see what is that formula. Cos x plus cos y. I tell you what is the formula. Both cos means both cos. So sorry, cos x plus means both cos. So cos x plus y divided by 2 cos x minus y divided by 2. Okay na? So this is the formula na. Apply. Now what is x sir? Idella seri x agutte. 5/4 plus x. 5/4 plus x is total call it as x. 5/4 minus x is minus x is totally call it as a y. Y enta undu. Okay na? Idu x or y. Take LHS. Cos 5/4 plus x plus cos 5/4 minus x. Okay na? Cos x plus cos y. Cos x plus cos y. Okay na? Tell me how to do this one. See. So cos x plus cos y. 2 cos. Okay. Okay. 2 cos x plus y. That is already happened. 5/4 plus x plus 5/4 minus x divided by what? 2. Over. First one over. Next. Madhya cos x minus y. Cos x 5/4 plus x. 5/4 plus x. 5/4 plus x minus of 5/4 minus x. So minus of ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ minus into minus ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ plus x plus x divided by 2. Okay, now simplify. Let's simplify my formula. Okay, put one line. 2 cos x cancel. 5/4 plus 5/4 is what? 5/2. 45 plus 45. 5/90 5/2. So 5/2 by 2. 5/4 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So ನೋಡಿ 5/2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 90 by 2 5/4 45 degrees. Okay, 5/4. So into cos x 5/4 cancel. x plus x 2x by 2 2x by 2x. So 2 cos by 4 1 by root 2 into cos x. 2 can be written as root 2 into root 2 now root 2 into root 2. Okay, root 2 into root 2. See here, so 2 can be written as root 2 into root 2 now root 2 whole square 2 agata. So divided by root 2 into cos x okay na. So 1 root 2 will cancel, so therefore root 2 cos x. So the answer is root 2. So like that we can simplify. Otherwise, what is another method means? Another method is also there. What is that means? Cos x plus y formula is cos x plus y, cos x cos y minus sin x sin y, cos x minus y, cos x cos y plus sin x sin y. Two formulas are there now. Apply it, cancel ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಈಸಿ ಆಗೋದು ಕೂಡ ಈಸಿ ಆಗಿಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಈಸಿ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಬೋತ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಗುಡ್. ಯಾವುದರ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಫುಲ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಈ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಆಗಿ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಡನ್ ಇನ್ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ. ಸೊ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಿಬಿಡಿ, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾವ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಈಸಿ ಆಯಿತು ಅಂದರೆ ಆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಬಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ if you do any formula related answer right means that is right. Don't worry, I will give full marks in main examination, so they will give the full marks. Okay, evaluator will give the full marks. Okay, so my dear students, we have to practice well these formulas. These formulas are very very important for the second PUC as well as the first PUC also. Okay, adukosra, so don't waste the time. Every day you have to practice. Every day formulas ಮಾಡಿ write on a cardboard sheet ತಗೊಂಡು write all formulas and hang on a wall. Okay, every day you have to one time you have to tell by seeing that poster. Okay, ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸ್ ಅದು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದರ್ವೈಸ್ you feel some difficulty when the problems are doing, and also second PUC you feel some difficulty. Okay, so these are very very important for the second PUC also. My dear students, if you like this video means please share and subscribe to my channel. If you have any doubt means comment below this video. Otherwise send messages in the maths group. One maths group already created for the first PUC. Okay, why we are created that group means we are directed by our principal. We created that group. Why? Because so many students having the doubts. Okay, if mathematics separate group is there means we can ask the doubts now. ಸೊ ನೀವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಆ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಒಳಗೆ ರಿಕಾರ್ಡೆಡ್ ವೀಡಿಯೋಸ್ ಇರ್ತಲ್ಲ, ರಿಕಾರ್ಡೆಡ್ ವೀಡಿಯೋಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ನೀವು ರಿಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಡೌಟ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ರಿಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಸರ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಫೀಲಿಂಗ್ ದ ಡೌಟ್ ರಿಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲ ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ರಿಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ವಾಟ್ಸಪ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ರಿಕಾರ್ಡ್ನ ಇದು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ದಟ್ ಒನ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ರಿಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನೀವು ವಾಯ್ಸ್ನ ರಿಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಸೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ನಾನು ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ನ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕ್ಲಾರಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಓಕೆ, ವೈ? ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕರೋನಾ ವೈರಸ್ pandemic we suffered lot. So ಆದರೆ ಕೂಡ we are doing better in a better way. Okay, ನಿಮಗೆ ಈಚ್ ಒನ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಇದು ಏನು ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಸ್ ಆಗ್ತೀರಾ. ಓಕೆ, ನಾಲೆಡ್ಜ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಮೈ ಡಿಯರ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್, ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಬಿ ಕೋಆಪರೇಟಿವ್ ಇದ್ದು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ಬಂದರೆ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ವಿ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟೆಡ್ ಒಂದು ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಮ್ಯಾಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ. ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಆಗಿ, ಆಲ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಆಗಿ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇ ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ಬಂದರೆ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ಏನೋ ಬಂತು ಅಂತಂದರೆ ನೀವು ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಅದರ್ವೈಸ್ ರಿಗಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋಸ್ ಹಾಕಿ, ರಿಗಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಆಡಿಯೋಸ್ ಹಾಕಿ. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಇಟ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡ್, ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಕ್ಲಾರಿಫೈ ಯುವರ್ ಡೌಟ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಅದರ್ವೈಸ್ you follow some other techniques are there, you can follow. So I will accept. Okay, my dear students, don't waste the time. You have to learn one by one. By sitting in your home, you not sit quiet. I have to do some work, practicing. Okay, second PUC ಬರ್ತೇನಾ? ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ don't waste the time waste ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. All students should join to that group. ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಲಾರಿಫೈ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಇನ್ ದಟ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ದಟ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ ದೀಸ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಮೈ ಡಿಯರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಬಿ ಕೋಆಪರೇಟ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.